This is Passengers United.
This is Roosevelt Island. Attention everyone, there are over 100 accessible subway stations. Please check mta.info/elevators for real-time elevator status at your station. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the rear of the platform.
Except the elevator is not working here. Not good. So here's Roosevelt Island. Not many people out here right now, but they're only using this one track.
This is a Queensbound F local train. The next and last stop is 21st Street, Queensbridge.
Two train crews on board the train. So it's not like they're switching at each terminal. So this is the only side that is open. They do have escalators working. Or at least yep, this one's working. And then let me check the elevator on this side. But this is what's going on here. I really hope they close that side off. So this is where the elevator is. And the departure boards are only showing trains to Lexington. They're not showing trains to Queens. So that's also misleading. That needs to be addressed. And here's the elevator right here. And it is out of service until September 15th. Not okay. This is the only elevator that can be used on Roosevelt Island. What happens if you have a mobility issue? And the tram's not working, you can't get on the tramway. This is unacceptable. Yeah, this is not good. If they're gonna have an elevator outage like this and only have one platform open, that's a serious problem. I still don't get why they chose this particular timing. Why they had to do this just as the school year was starting, as people are going back to their jobs. Roosevelt Island's really being screwed. At least they have it closed off, so it seems. And there's already one escalator out here too. So, this is not good. At least it's not ridiculously crowded right now, but my guess is that it was really bad earlier today, and it will be even worse next week once school's in session. But this is not good. So this escalator should also be reopening in September. I guess we'll see if that actually happens. But this is not good. This is an ADA violation right here. If anything, there really need to be priority shuttle buses, and I really hope they're actually enforcing on the tramway a priority for seniors and people with disabilities to get on, because if they can't get on the island, then they're really being disadvantaged because there's no accessible subway station for them for the next few weeks. And that is a serious issue.
Thanks for watching. To stay up to date with Passengers United, please subscribe and follow us on social media. Learn more about us at passengersunited.org.